Going on YouTube. So I received the Yoshimura Fender Eliminator Kit the other day. Just got done installing it. Look at the difference that it makes from what they put on this bike from the factory. Pretty low profile. They did a good job. There's a logo up the top. So I actually used the TST flush mount turn signals. Didn't want the stock ones sticking out from the back. I think they're way too big. I also use the flush mount turn signals up front here as well. And then let's turn it on. So as you can see, there's your license plate light. And then both turn signals are working. Still see it from the back. I mean, yeah, it's not that much visibility, but I'm waiting for TST to come out with their integrated taillight. So yeah, there's the Yoshi Fender Eliminator Kit. I'm gonna post a link in the description down below of an installation guide. You go to Yamaha MT-09.com. My installation guide will be on there. And yeah, that's it. One last thing, if you're looking for a website to find out when the latest parts come out for these bikes, definitely check out Yamaha MT-Forum.com. It's a new forum that I created for the Yamaha MTs. Post on there every couple days when I find something is released for these bikes, just to help out the community, and so everyone knows when something's released. If I do an installation guide for pretty much anything I've been putting on this bike, I've been posting it on there as well. So definitely come by and join us. Hope to see you there.